Okay, Khaleesi's litter. I had to put them in their playpen, which is where they go at night, because I couldn't really get them to hold still, and the videos were just blurs. Yeah, this is the boy. He's got the gray on the back. Oh, well, I'm trying to show you, but it's a little difficult. Okay. This is the little girl. She's the smaller of the two girls. She's got more cream on her. Hey, baby. Oh, no. And this is the other girl, who's slightly larger. She's got more white. Cute baby. Yes. Hi, babies. Oh. Okay. It's okay. You get to play. Oh. Okay, babies. Hi. Yeah, they want to come back out. They want to play. I want to play. Okay, babies. All right. Well, a little difficult. I was trying to get a video of them, but they really want to come back out. So, hi, baby. Hi. Hey, sweethearts. Hi. Yeah. Come on. You too, baby. Hello. Come on. Oh, these good babies. All right.